in a skillet, what I did is bought some very inexpensive stew meat. Just beef stew meat. I seasoned it with some essence, a little oil, and I've been browning them off. And that's where I am right now. So I want to take that. You can easily do this the day before if you need some time. Now, I program the crock pot again. I got it on high, set it for 6 hours, plugged in, nothing's happening here. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a little oil, and we're going to start with some button mushrooms that we sliced right on the bottom. To that, a little salt, a little pepper. Now, to that, just a little bit of butter, optional. A little bit of tomato paste, about 1/3 of that can, that small can. That's really, tomato paste is really the foundation of dishes. Most people don't know why they use tomato paste. It's just the foundation. Then, whatever kind of herbs you like. I'm going to use a little allspice. I'm going to use a little thyme, oregano, basil, dry. Or you can buy an already mixed spice and just use some of that. You with me so far? Yeah. I'm going to sprinkle the flour on that. I'm going to add the liquid, which is beef stock. I'm going to mix this up. And then I'm going to add the stew meat in here. Cover it up. And let it go. Now that wasn't so difficult, right? Just let it go. All right, perfect. We're going to have a great beef stew now. We'll come back and add some potatoes, carrots, and some onion. Again, totally optional. I'm adding the potatoes just to sort of bulk it up a little bit. 5 hours. I added the potatoes, cut them up a bit. The little pearl onions, again, optional. Carrots. So this is where I am now. Going into its 6th hour. Finish it with a little bit of frozen peas. Get a little ladle. Peas are not going to take that long. How does that look to you guys? Now, here's the great thing. We used the potatoes in there, okay? Got a good portion. Gonna take it out. I just turned it off. Hear that? Probably got at least 2, 3 more portions in here. So great to split it with a friend. Or you got enough for tomorrow. Great stuff. You got vegetables, you got the meat. Again, what I want to show you about this slow cooking. This is really inexpensive stew meat. Look at how tender this is. Look at that. Look at how that just comes right off the bone like that. So there you have it. Little beef stew for you, all right?